Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening. As you can see, I've just cut my own hair. I look, yo. Now I'm steaming. This is the steaming thing. The bucket, the bucket. Yeah, and there's hot water, and I put castor oil on my face, and then now I'm steaming. Look, I once heard they say that applying castor oil on your face is good, but steaming with it, I don't know. You understand? But I want to talk about this. I see everyone has been talking about this thing. Allegedly, this is all alleged. I'm tired, and unfortunately, I still have to talk about this. This relationship thing, guys. I always tell you, if you see that you are not ready to be in a relationship, go and get yourself fixed. The problem is that most people are just in denial. You understand? Most people are in denial. They can see that they're not ready, they're fucked up. But still was forced to be in a relationship. Allegedly, with this Letoya and Lebogang situation, at first it was said Guti, I said this is alleged, Lebogang was the one who was fucking bobos ku Letoya. And then now say no Letoya vele nawe fucking bobos. You understand? So now I'm like, most abantu toxic. Toxic. And if the funny thing about abantu toxic, they don't want to leave each other. They can't live without each other. Uthola umunye eshawa bethi hi, makuthiwa mshiye, hi, ngizomshiya. Next thing ngibona sehamba naye. Noma umunye uthi hi, ngizomshiya. Njengo ubani usiyamcela no siyacela. Ubalo ethi siyamcela. Usiyacela and uthando nabo allegedly sisho njalo. Bebembox umunye. Sonke sakhuluma ukuthi hayi bo bafethu ingane hayi. Xa intenza yenza. Abantu abatoxic banje. It's either boy two bazo boxana noma one box omunye kodwa nje angeke befuna ukushiyana. Allegedly naba abanye banje omunye bethu file divorce. Lo umunye uthi yena angeke aza lento zane. Akavuma ukuthi ashiye hilo wena wangitshela ukuthi ngihambe nge-rehab ngizokwazi ukuba right. And mangi-rehab ngizoba i-rehab futhi nangidingi because ngi-right. I-rehab banjalo bonke umuntu odinga i-rehab usho njalo. Akekho nje uvumayo kure kuthi uvela avume nje mhlawumbe ku-first attempt kanjani ukuthi yena uyedinga rehab. Now remember even with umama I used to watch this generation ukhethiwe before modelela ela chocolate. Okay, I'm not sure. I just remembered that thing. Nah, I went home and I was asking my mom. I was like, when you do need help, mom. She was like, no, mina ngidinga usizo ngi-right. Nango omunye Lebogang naye allegedly uthi yena u-right akadinga usizo. Guys, yabona khona i-toxicity, bese kuba khona i-violence, bese sekuzoba khona utshwala phakathi kwi-relationship. Angeke kusebenze. Angisho udekani, nethi sengiyasho nje ukuthi angeke kusebenze. Ngoba vele noma ngadika akekho umuntu ozoyeka umuntu wakhe emiyekela abanye abantu because the next thing sazizobe sinisithuka la nithi thina sinomona ngoba thina single and mingling. You understand? Bafethu, go and get yourselves fixed. Work on yourself. Ube right. This thing yokuthi when you can't kuhlala isikhathi eside ungekho ku relationship. Yo. Mina ukuthi vele angekeke. Mina nje even if ngathiwa yimi ungiphusha to a point ukuthi yimi engcine sengifuna ukukuphakamisela isandla. No, I'm leaving you then. Angeke ngilinde ukuthi kube wophakamisela no. Mina ngagcina sengikwata sengifika to that point. No, I'm leaving you. Yeah. Ngishiya mina cha ngishiya indini ngafuqa mamanga. I don't anginaso leso sikhathi. Ngithatha ila chocolate. Ngikhethiwe. Mina ngiyako mama. Ngilo ngihlela ngikhamsile ngithi ngiyakuthanda yahlanda angeke nje. Abanye bazongitshela hayi wena phela umshado understand in yikho benboxer every 2 seconds every day unboxela kona lokuthi thina siwazi umshado niyawazi. If the situation is toxic, leave. If a person wakusikaza angazi nikusikaza ngeEnglish wagaiza, you leave. This thing good mood will change, or you find someone who's abusive and then you think that you're going to change that person. By the time that person changes, they might be changed by you, but they might not end up with you. Because engashintsha kuwe bese ayiwa nomunye umuntu. Ngoba kusekhathele nje into siyambora. And I think that I also always ask myself, even my friends, I would ask them ukuthi how umuntu bese qeda kushawa wenza njani ke esenomuntu wakhe because umuntu usemabokoboko ebusweni like umkhisa kanjani and all of that. I'm not saying my friends do that, but we're just having a conversation. You don't understand? Yo? Hani yani blessed ngala madlozi sipweni. Ngiyahamba. Ngifuna ukushawa yinja noma ngishaya inja ngabantu. Ngoba gcine ngifuna yathana nekubophana. So these two bazobona ukuthi benza kanjani. Badala. Thina nje simila sibuka TV. Sibuya nje mase sibhora Netflix noma singasana imali ukho Netflix because vele siyidonsela ngulo. Sobuhani ekhaya. Funa ngabe shy. Niqhubeka nje nokho entertain. Relationship wenu. So for me, that is what it is. Do not stay in a toxic relationship. But I'm joking. It's nice the thing.